Hi everyone, welcome to a walk through a project I've been working on, and I'm so excited about this one. I cannot tell you how excited I am to share this one. It's just so different to what I've done before. It's a Cool Katz crafts project, and you'll find a link in the description below to their shop, and also I'll link to their tutorials as well, their YouTube, for you to know how this is made, because I'm not going to be making a tutorial for this one. This was just for me to play with. So I've made this album using Enchanted Forest by Stamperia, and I got my papers from a local shop called intocraft.com, which you'll also find a link in the description below as well. And I bought these papers a while ago and I loved them, so I bought the 8x8, 12x12 backgrounds and the 12x12 kit, and I have used elements from all of them because this was just for fun and I just went to town. So what is different about this album is the spine. Look at that. This is a roll top spine. So you can buy it as a kit and it's MDF, it's really strong. You get the tape and everything in the kit and it's just so cool. It's so different and it's just wonderful to have something different. So it's a rolling spine. You can roll it over, and when you open your book, it's sort of just, I don't know what it is. It's just so different and so fun. But you've still got that straight edge then to build your album onto. So I've gone for 1, 2, 3, 4 pages. And it's a lovely size. So I was able to just use an 8x8 paper on the front and an 8x8 on the back. So the front and back were nice and easy to decorate. And just this album, it just rolls. It's fabulous. It's fantastic. I just love it. You can put strips on here, but I just loved the shape. I loved the black. I like the sleekness. So I've left mine plain. But I suppose if you wanted to decorate it, and I know Karen made a lovely one using Beneath the Sea by Graphic 45, and she had the mermaids going around, and it looks wonderful. So have a look on the Cool Katz YouTube. Again, I'll link that in the description below. So let's open it up. And I said, there is no tutorial, so please don't ask for it. It was just making it up, and it's very specific to these papers by using, and I've used so many different papers, 8x8, the backgrounds, and the 12x12, that it's not usually my style to make you buy everything. So this is just for fun, as I said. So again, just 2 pockets on the front and same on the back, and I carried these brickwork all the way through. So this was from the main pad, this was from the backgrounds pad, so I was able to match them up nicely. So just plenty of spaces to put your photos, memories, whatever you're looking for. Then page 1 has got 2 flaps. So I've used some magnets on both so that it clunks. I think you can hear it on the camera, can you? There we are, yes. And then a nice deep pocket here. I was looking to see where I put my photo mats for me to be able to find, but I think I've left them. I've got a piece of cardstock here. So got a nice deep pocket there. As I said, these pockets, just 2 pockets, just stacked on top of each other, offers lots and lots of places for your photos. And each of them is a pocket page, so I can put some more photos and things in there. I've used lots and lots of Cool Katz dies on this. So here I've got the this hidden pierced slot, which is the half circle one. So you can see there's little pierced dots and this smile shape, and you can just tuck things in like so. And again, it's just a pocket. So it started off being quite conservative, and then I thought, oh, just let loose and go with all the papers. So it started off being quite conservative, and then we've got some photo spaces there and another pocket there. So nothing unusual yet. And then from here on, I start going quite different. So here we've got an acetate pocket, which will fit a 5x7 photo. So you just slide it in from the side and it'll be nicely framed there. But I built it also onto a pocket, so when you put something in the top, it sort of just disappears behind. It's quite a little bit of an optical illusion now that I'm doing it like this. So when I put it into the side, you can see it behind the acetate. And when you put it in there, it's just a pocket. And then, I get it, this is the new, well, I've been calling it the Christmas tree light swivel. I don't know what it's actually called, but it does remind me of like a Christmas tree bulb or Christmas light swivel. So I've used some brass, what do you call them, brads for this one. So using the folio circle meant it's been lifted, the swivel part's been lifted, so it's not been stretched like so. And so it lays nice and flat on top because we've got 2 layers of cardstock coming up. We've got one flap here, so we undo it, just use one of the images there, and you've got a photo space here. And then this one has got another of those smiley shaped photo slots. By this, you can tuck things in there. And then you open it up. You've got room for a 6x4 photo. And I've used the round photo slots here, so you can't see there's anything there. And then you put your photo mat in, and you've got room for a 6x4 photo on top. So here's a photo of my boys. I can just place it on top. I can just tuck it in. If I was on camera now, this would probably go easier, but you'd have stuck it down on that and tucked it in. Okay. But this way you can still see your papers and you can still put your photos in. And then it opens up again. And again, another 6x4 photo, and you could put another small photo in there, but I just didn't want to hide him. That stag just looks fantastic. Let's just pop this in. See, when I didn't have the photo, it popped in straight away. And then you close it, you close it, and you close it, and the swivels just keep it all in place. And again, it is a pocket page, so I could do a photo mat to go inside again. See, look how thick this page is. There's something coming up, isn't there? So again, didn't want to cover too much here, so I've just taken my page. I think it's from the 12x12 this time, because it's the bigger version of this. And I just took my knife and I cut around this Adventures in the Forest, so it's a tuck spot. So a nice simple page, and you think, oh, maybe I could put my photos. It's also hidden. There we go. And then it opens up, and this is where I decided, let's start having some fun. So I'm not going to make a tutorial for this, but I'm sure some of these elements will appear in future albums. So we've got a 2 photo opportunity on there. So it stands up like so. And I've used the circle photo slots by Cool Katz there. And it all just sort of folds in so nice and easy. And then room for a photo there or journaling, but also room on the back as well. So that was adding a little pop-up element, which I've been wanting to do for ages. And then this time you can see I really went to town with the swivels. So you've got to remember which order these are now. Middle one. Space for a photo. But when you open it, one of the image cards just pops up. So I did think, oh, a photo opportunity, but then I just put that image there anyway. I still could put your photo there. And again, this Christmas tree light just keeps it shut because you have got quite a bit of bulk there. So by lifting it on that folio strip, it just gives you that extra little lift, keeping your swivel flat. Otherwise, it would try to fold up like so. So swivel 1 opens that one. Swivel 2 opens up this one. And again, we have one of those hidden slots so we can tuck things in. This time I've used the straight one. And on this side, again, we've got those hidden. So hidden, I can't get into it at the moment. Please don't say I glued it flat. Let's have a look. Ah, there we are. So you've got that half circle there. So you can tuck things in there. And then this swivel opens up and you've got another photo space. Again, I've got those invisible little slots there. A half circle one here and a straight one here. Oh, and a straight one there. But if you haven't got those dies, you just leave them flat and you can just put your photo straight on. So 3 swivels, just keeping everything closed. So I love that page. So you see, it's quite a bulky page again. And this time I've used those wavy dies. So when I open it up, I've matched it on the inside and you can see the pattern continuation going all the way under. And when you put your paper in, it really shows off that border. But how lovely does that look with that wave on that tag? So I really like that as it is, but I actually built it on top of another one. And this one hasn't quite worked how I wanted to. I wanted it to open up like so. So we've got 2 more photo options or journaling options there, but still room to put photos underneath as well. So I did add a few pop-ups to this. So that is my Enchanted Forest rolling spine. Again, a kit from Cool Katz Crafts. And I'm sure I could have been a bit more economical with my papers and taken it even further, but I just wanted to go for it. This one, it was just a fun project just to go with it. And so, yeah, so make sure you have a look in the description below. There's lots and lots of links to some useful things in there. So thank you for watching. Please comment below and tell me what you think of this album, especially what you think of this lovely, lovely spine. And hit that thumbs up and subscribe button too if you get a chance. It really does mean a lot. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed my Enchanted Forest album. See you all again soon.